Have you ever heard about quantum leaping? It is a jump from one state to another, and it is exactly what quick manifestation is all about. On my 50th birthday, I received a gift from the universe. I stumbled onto a video by the man named Nikola Tesla, who happened to be one of the greatest inventors of our time. Despite being responsible for over 200 inventions, including the famous car being named after him, I had never heard of him up until that night. While researching into his life, I discovered that he used a simple technique to manifest solutions to complicated problems quickly. He found that 3, 6, and 9 formed the fundamental building blocks of the universe, and when used in a particular way, could help speed up time like quantum leaping. You see, manifestation is really feeling a future event in the present time. When we have a deep desire, it is because our higher self already knows that it is possible for us to achieve. He discovered that if he focused on 3 goals at a time, stopped his day 6 times, and envisioned the results he wanted for exactly 9 seconds, he was able to manifest solutions quickly. In the next meditation, you will have the opportunity to focus on 3 goals. Envision as if they have already happened for 9 seconds each, and close with positive affirmations. Allow yourself to find a comfortable position by sitting up. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Taking another deep breath in, holding it, and release. And one last time, deep breath in, and long exhale out. Continue to breathe in and out, allowing your body to find a natural rhythm of breathing. Allowing yourself to enter a deeper state as we begin to relax each part of the body. Beginning with the crown of your head, relax your head. Allowing your forehead to relax. Relaxing your eyes and eyelids. Allowing your nose to relax. Continue to breathe as you relax your cheeks and your mouth. Allowing your chin to relax down through your neck. And taking a deep breath in and out, relax your shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding. Relaxing your arms, down through your elbows, allowing your forearms to relax, down through your wrists, relaxing your hands, and releasing tension through all of your fingers. Taking another deep breath in and exhale, relax your chest, allowing even more tension to melt away from the body. Allow your abdomen to relax, down through your thighs, relaxing your knees, down through your ankles, and releasing tension all the way down through your toes. Continue to breathe in and out, allowing your mind to relax by giving your thoughts permission to pause for a while. As we begin to open up each one of your chakras, envision a white light of healing energy floating above your head, allowing this light to flow down through the crown of your head and opening up your crown chakra, enabling you to enjoy inspiration and transformation. Continuing down to your third eye chakra in between your eyebrows. And opening up your intuition, motivation, and guidance for solutions. Allowing the light to flow down to your throat chakra. Opening up your center of communication, creativity, and emotion. Allow the light to continue down and begin to surround your heart chakra, filling you with joy, love, positivity, and compassion. Continuing down to your solar plexus chakra inside your chest. Helping you to enjoy a raised level of confidence and self-esteem. Allowing the light to continue down to your sacral chakra below your navel. Enabling you to experience energy. And finally, guiding this light down through your root chakra, allowing you to feel centered, safe and protected, and opening up your abundance. You are now connected to Source. As you enter this deeper state of peace and relaxation, imagine that you have special virtual glasses that allow you to see into the future. With them, clarify the 3 goals you wish to achieve. Allow the first vision to become clear in your mind's eye. A moving picture of exactly how this new reality will unfold. Now step into this reality with these new eyes and experience what this will feel like. Allow your body to fill with joy and excitement in creating this new vision. Now shift your focus to your second goal, allowing this vision to become clear in your mind. Feel the joy and gratitude as this new reality is unfolding. And finally, allow the third goal to become clear in your mind's eye. Stepping into this new reality, allow it to unfold with complete harmony with the others. Feel the excitement throughout every inch of your body in knowing that you have created this. With each wave of these joyful feelings, you are now sealing your contract with the universe. Trust that the law of attraction will align you in divine timing. And it is so. Allow the following affirmations to gently flow through your subconscious mind. I am spiritually aligned. I am guided at all times. I can create anything I want with my thoughts and feelings. I am strong and healthy. I am loved and supported. I am happy, successful, and abundant. And it is so. Allow yourself to take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Taking another deep breath in and exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Great job.